Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today you're gonna start by cutting a slice of lemon. I'm gonna start by making the syrup. Here we go. So in a saucepan you're gonna put some sugar on a low to medium heat and mix, make sure it don't stick, but it start taking like a color. Then you're gonna add the water, hot water of course, and you mix it together. So put on a medium heat. Medium to high heat. And add the slice of lemon. So put it to boil and leave it for, I don't know, like 10-15 minutes. Then you're gonna add the 2 spoons of orange tree water. You mix it and you leave it a bit. Switch off and take it out. Then we take the ktayef and just separate them like this. Try to don't break them, but just try don't have like big pieces, only small. Once it's done, you're gonna take some butter or semen and you're gonna put it on top. This is the reason like your ktayef are gonna get like a bit crispy and golden. Yeah, just put some everywhere. Then start heating your oven 180 degrees. Then you're gonna take back the powder almond, which you can see. I'm gonna link you the link of the powder almond I made in the description. Then you add some sugar, you mix it. So it's always better to make it like the powder almond with yourself, because it's just gonna last longer. If you buy it in the shop already made, it's not as good and it's more expensive too. Then after you add the orange tree water. And yeah, just like this, you see it's have to get like this, kind of hard but like really soft in the same time. So take the ktayef like this, put them in your hands, and you're gonna put the almond in the middle. Then you close the ktayef on top and you put them in this mold. And you do the same for the other ones. So yeah, the best is like me, you take the muffin mold, after take whatever you have, and do same again and again. Then you put some butter on top again to make it more golden. Then you put them in the oven for like 20 to 30 minutes, but always check because maybe your oven is gonna cook faster than mine. Then once they're ready, you just take them out. And you put straight the syrup on top, like straight, because your syrup have to be cold and the ktayef have to be like really hot. Yeah, and just like this. Then you take them out. Here we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If it's the case, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Thank you.